Hello friend, welcome to this video. My name is Kishore Hakesh, studying BSc second year at Adarsh College Hingoli. My presentation is based on the ABLE test. In this class, we discuss about ABLE test and some problem upon the ABLE test. Let us see the test of if the infinite series summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, n is convergent and the sequence bn is monotonic and bounded. Then summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, an bn is convergent. You observe that summation en is convergent and the sequence bn is monotonic and bounded. Then these two conditions implies summation an bn, their product is convergent. Hence let us solve some problem. Test the convergence of the series. The given series is 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 2 square plus 1 upon 5 into 3 square minus 1 upon 7 into 4 square plus up to infinity. Let us apply ABLE test to solve this problem. The series can be written as in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon 4 square plus dot dot so on into in bracket 1 comma 1 by 3 1 comma 1 by 5 comma 1 by 7 and so on. But here the product is you observe that term wise respectively. It means 1 with respect to first term, 1 by 3 with second term, 1 by 5 with third term, 1 by 7 with fourth term and so on. So this is very clear, the series is alternating series. Summation minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon n square is equal to summation en, and the sequence bn is equal to 1 upon 2n minus 1, n belongs to capital N. This alternating series is very clearly convergent by using Leibniz test. By applying Leibniz test, n is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon n square. If we take mod of an is equal to 1 by n square, this is very clear. Summation mod of an is equal to summation 1 by n square. This is convergent series. If it is convergent, mean summation mod of an is convergent. Therefore, summation an is absolutely convergent. We need the things convergence series. So, trivial summation an is convergent and bn is u. Observe that by seeing the term is very clear decreasing, very clearly decreasing. Bn is decreasing and also bounded below, so the sequence is bounded and decreasing. Here the series is convergent. By ABLE test, we conclude that summation en bn is convergent the given infinite series. Summation minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon n square in bracket 2n minus 1 is convergent, so the given series is convergent series. Thank you.